Alright people, I got a special update for KO. I call it special because this is something that is very low risk but very high reward. It's a slow mover, but the stock can move and it can do something that would take time, right? This is more of a long-term investment where you could be holding this for a month to 3 weeks from the entry point before really, it's before getting the gains. But you can go in much larger with this, and for a lot of people, they can easily get in here with a few $1,000s and safely double that money, or whatever the amount is. Could be even $10,000. So let me explain the plan here. So listen to all the facts. Okay, I'm going to be explaining stuff that are not in these boxes. So KO is set up to test 45 to 46. The June 16 44 calls are perfect to use, and I will explain in detail. Yep, KO needs to break above 43.50 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 2 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume, now I want to be explaining the facts. So if the volume isn't there, we could look for basic above 43.50. We might be able to still take it, right? But look for basic above 43.50 and look for power towards 43.60 to 43.80. It's going to be that range, right? But we might be able to get in within that range of 43.50 to 43.80, and I don't know until we see the action. So I like to see some power towards these numbers, and there's where I will actually I will post an update when I think this confirms, or to engage in this, okay? Because the risk is low and the probability of making money is high. Let's go take a look at the options together, people. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance board. Coca-Cola closed at 43.24 on April the 26th. All right, now here are the June 16th options. Okay, these are farther out. Okay, you need time with this, right? But these are perfect. I'm going to show you something interesting that I found. So take a look at this. See these 44? Look at this. Look at the action today in this. And I checked out a lot of options in it, a lot of places, but for some reason there was a lot of buying here. 44,800 new contracts. So the open interest is increased over here. So a lot of trading was happening to buy these 44 calls. Okay, and again, this is the month of June 16, right? So we got April, May, June, right? So many months, right? Because I don't think it's going to take that long. It could take a month or so, let's say at the most, to hit 45. Okay, and these options will probably they could trigger we could trigger between 45 to 50 cents, but double. So they'll go from 50 cents to $1 to $1 plus to $1.50, depending how well we get to 46. Okay, and persons can trade that a little bit too. Okay. But you could hold quite a bit of options. A lot of people could buy like 100 options in this. Okay, 100 options for like three and double your money. Okay, double your money. So whatever you want to double, safely double your money with this call option strategy. Okay, and you can always get out of these. And there's a pretty tight spread in this. They go even less than 4 cents spread. Okay, something happened today over here that's interesting. All right, people. So again, listen carefully to what I'm saying in the video. Like I said, if we get in here, again, you think that, but that dollar move, I tell you, a dollar move with those options, and we're getting in before, more than a dollar move on the 44 calls are going to make over 100% gains, and the probability is so high it's not funny, right? Because there's a gap to fill over here. Okay, and that's like a magnet, and this is a long pattern in the making, right? I talked about this before, but the momentum shift came in. Okay, I saw the momentum shift. There's a lot of other reasons I'm looking at, and I tell you, this is just a high probability setup, and it's all about planning, people. I've made plans like this before. These are the silent giant winners that you can make in these small, stocks that move. You say, oh, $1 or $2 move isn't, but $1 and $2 move in a stock like KO is large. All right, people. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest subscribe. This is a great place. Look at this. A lot of great video plans I make. Okay, fast-moving stocks, slow-moving stocks, you name it. The key is having a good plan. I say study the videos, listen to what I'm saying. There's a reason why I say key numbers and volume and this and that and so on and so forth. Because as you hear this enough and see my plans, you'll witness there's nothing like this on the on StockTwits. There's no pro doing it like this. Okay, where one can make a lot of money with options. Okay, everybody with big accounts, small accounts, big accounts can make good money with these plans. But you gotta have great timing skills, and you have got a great video. You gotta have great rules, so on and so forth. And I've got that, as you can see here. So see the Standard Power Ticker Trade. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on it. As you see here in the circle format, it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. It's a great place to get to my other videos. There's a lot to listen. You can live on my channel. There's so much great information that I put out. And of course, you should be a follower on StockTwits and on Twitter. Sometimes I just post plans. Okay, so you want to be a follower of everything. And if being a follower here, you get the videos very nicely. If there's a channel to subscribe to, it's this one over here, people. It's great information. You'll see. I mean, you study for your study the facts for yourself. I tell how it is. I warn about problems, why we should get, like for example, Tesla didn't trigger, and I warned about chop. When it chopped, I said it could go, but some people just want to jump in. They don't, I know what to look for. I know when stocks need volume and when they don't, so on and so forth. So people, anyways, subscribe to the YouTube channel, Power Ticker Trade. Thanks for listening. Like Power Target Trades. Thanks for listening. Like the video.